All right, guys, so this is another year at Taste of Times Square. And as you see behind me right now, my station is still getting hit right now. We've been super busy. From we started at what, like 3:30, 4 o'clock, we've been busy, double lines. So I think we're gonna get best in Taste of Times Square. In the kitchen. Every year the Taste of Times Square is where all the restaurant and most of the restaurant at least come out in Times Square and they showcase some of their favorite stuff that's on their menu.
This is the best banana cheesecake that Planet Hollywood ever invented.
I'm going to show you now what's going on. Now you're at my booth, the Sony Hall. Right here we have Sony Hall. You see we have the Walker's Wood right here, the Walker's Wood product. Plus we also have the jerk, which we're featuring today from the jerk chicken. We have Coco over here grilling the jerk chicken. My guys are over here so busy. Carmelo, we're good? All right.
So Sony Hall used to be Diamond Horseshoe, which was a speakeasy back in the early 1900s. It reopened about 10 years ago as Diamond Horseshoe. We took it over last year. We're Blue Note Entertainment Group. We book a lot of different music from back in the day to new and up-and-coming artists.
Yes.
We're open almost 6-7 days every week.
Nice.
10 shows a week, live music, private events,
Nice.
late night parties,
Yep.
and the best chef in the business.
And we have a full menu inside. We have a full menu
full dinner,
and a beautiful
full
bar.
kitchen, full bar.
Yeah. You see my chef right here? All right, come. You're gonna hold it like this. And you're gonna pick it up and turn it. No. Nice. Do this one. Do that one. You got it? Flip him over. All right. One more. Yeah. Got it. Beautiful.
Come chat with me.